National MI, we are going to go over how to leverage a social impact strategy to gain young referrals in diverse markets. We're going to be talking about social impact, how to infuse this in your brand. This is just a little overview of the webinar that we did this year. So why do millennials care about social impact? They are known as the me generation, and they have been told throughout their lives that they can do anything, that their actions matter, and we've been exposed to a lot. So we want to see that businesses and companies really care about their communities, about the environment, about causes that we also care about. We like to say that it's not about what you stand for, but what you stand up for. So don't just talk the talk, you have to walk the walk and really show that in your personal brand when you're posting on social media and things like that. So what are the hot issues right now for millennials and other younger generations, and what do we care about? They are civil rights and racial discrimination, employment and job creation, and healthcare reform. So these things might not always necessarily correlate to what you're posting about, but just think about them in terms of maybe partners you can, companies you can partner with, or causes that you care about that you can post when it's time to vote or things like that. Just show that you're passionate about causes, and it's going to really resonate with the younger audiences. How do millennials take action? We post on social media, we get politically involved, whether that's by voting, running drives, or voter registration panels and things like that, and we change consumer decisions about what to support. A great example of this is the #DeleteUber movement. This is something where younger generations took a stand against a company and really were able to make a difference by using social media to, in that sense, millennials really are influencers for you. When they care about something and when they believe in you and they have a great experience with you, they are going to be your advocate, and they are going to share it with their friends on social media and their family, and that's going to lead to more brand awareness and more referrals for you. Mark Cuban said that social enterprise is the future of business. So you just want to think about that when creating your personal brand, that it's not anymore just about the bottom line, but how you can infuse your personal brand, service, product with social impact and show that you care and that you want to give back to the community. Studies show that 70% of millennials are willing to pay more for a product that makes an impact on issues that they care about. So once again, this is just an example of the younger generation really putting their money where their mouth is and wanting to support companies that believe the same things that they do and that stand up for great causes. So how do you apply this to the mortgage industry? Start by building a connection with consumers. They want to know that you care about them, about the community, constantly be involved in your community, volunteering, holding events and things like that, and just being engaged, reaching out to people, going that extra mile, engaging on social media, anything to show that you want to build a relationship, because that's where it all starts. Choose a cause. So whether that's an animal foundation, something at a hospital, a homeless drive, things like that, just pick something, make it relevant to your brand and voice, and infuse it into your social media posts and be authentic with what you're doing. But this is going to, again, really resonate with the younger generation and show that you're a leader and a change maker in your community. And finally, how are you making an impact in your community? Think about hosting an event. Maybe that's volunteering, holding a volunteer opportunity event, something like that. Educational seminars, financial literacy seminars and things like that, where you can really bring leadership and guidance to your community are great. Donation drives and community building. So that is the recap of how to leverage a social impact strategy to gain referrals in young and diverse markets. Thanks.